What is going on, everyone? It is MotoMiracle, and in today's video I'm going to give you my first impressions on the Ciro3D Drink Holder. So let's go hit the intro and let's go check out this video. Oh man, so good. What's good, y'all? If you are new to my channel, I'm just a traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life, and I want to share my journey to you through my eyes. So today is going to be the first impressions on the Ciro3D Drink Holder. If you want the install video, then it's going to be in the upper right corner, so you can click up there. There is a bigger cup holder. This is a medium regular size, but there is a bigger one called a big ass drink holder. So the first thing that I want to say is I wasn't first thinking about getting the Ciro drink holder, but my fiance wanted it, and the thing is we ride 2-up all the time, so I figured I'll do something for her, you know. Happy wife, happy life, right? You know how that is, right? For my first impressions, I love it, man. Like, it's literally perfect size. It fits any Dunkin' cup, it fits any Starbucks cup. Like, I think the fits a large size. It fits actually extra large also, and it does fit a Yeti. I mean, it's a very tight squeeze with the Yeti, but it still does fit. But I mean, but yeah, like I said, if you want to do fast food, if you want to do like any soft serve, anything like that, and like it fits perfectly, large, extra large. And I mean, so far I just put a few sizes on it, and so far it works great. What am I doing? I just gotta get away from this traffic. Just gotta get away. Yes. Oh man. All right. Less traffic. It's hard to talk, ride, be evasive all at the same time. All right, so the thing is, I am an iced coffee fiend. Like, it didn't matter when I was living in Connecticut all year. When I rode all year, it didn't matter. It was in the winter, 25 degrees when I was riding. I would still go to Dunkin' and I would have some iced coffee, and I would then go for a ride. But now that I have the Ciro3D Drink Holder, which would have worked great to have it then, because I could have the iced coffee, 25 degrees, going for a ride, it would have stayed nice and chilled. So that would have been a perfect idea, but we just got it now, so, but I'm gonna use it now. I'm gonna use it from now on. It's great. And the biggest thing is my fiance loves it, so as long as she loves it, that's all that matters. So for iced coffee, I know there is an iced coffee queen, and that is Her Two Wheels Jess. I know I was actually just looking at one of your videos, Jess, about the I think it was for your birthday, and I know you were saying that you looked for all these other cup holders and nothing really worked, or nothing. Oh geez. Let's turn around. Sorry, there's like construction everywhere, so I'm trying to like not go towards the traffic, because there's actually been a lot of accidents over here. Oh man, it is nice outside. Yeah, so Jess, so you were looking for a new cup holder that wasn't working. Basically what she did is she had to pull over by the side, get the iced coffee, and then get like a thermos and fill up in the thermos. But for this one, you don't have to. So up here is going to be on the upper right corner. It's going to be Her Two Wheels. It's going to be her video of when she had the iced coffee, and then in the description it's going to be just Her Two Wheels, her actual channel. So let's go right. So I follow her. She's an iced coffee queen. She's a camper, she's a Harley rider, she's a badass woman. That's what she is. So yeah, go follow her channel. And like I said, Jess, if you are watching this channel and watching this video, then I would recommend this Ciro3D Drink Holder. It's very, and put on the Perch too, because you said that she said that she didn't have enough space on her bars. But if you have the Perch mount, I think it would have worked perfectly. So go to your local Harley dealership and where you can get the Ciro3D Drink Holder. So yeah, going back to the Ciro3D Drink Holder for the first impressions, man, like I said, loving it. Like basically, like you said, it's the quality is actually very great. Like it seems like plastic, but it's a very good plastic, and this is like a very good like a rubber, and like it literally whatever's in here will stay in there. Like in Texas there's a lot of bumpy roads, like right now I'm bumping a lot. Like it's not as smooth roads like it is in Connecticut, and basically so it's shaking and shaking, and this when it shakes just a little, but it doesn't fall off at all. Like I said, I went for a 140-mile ride with a bottle on there, and I just kept going and going, and it did great. Man, I love it. I'm serious. I highly recommend it for everyone. And also, there's drive-through liquor stores here. I'm not saying to do drinking and driving, but what I'm saying is if you are going to going at point A, which is a liquor store, drive-through liquor store, and to point B, like you're gonna sit there for a few hours, you can put your frozen margarita up here, put it there, go to the spot, and when you get to the spot, like you said, now you don't have to take your car, you can take your Harley. But like I said, or bike, whatever you have, just remember, no drinking and driving when you're on a bike, please. I think it's like every shot you take, every drink you take, it's like every hour you should be on, you should wait. So just saying, that's how it is down here. So like I said, it looks nice, it looks great, like great quality, like it really is. Like they did whatever they did with it, it is great quality. I mean, if people might think it's cheap, crappy quality, because a lot of cup holders really do fall off, they don't work great, but this so far has not worked. I will be doing a 1500 to 2000 mile review after to see how it is and everything, but I guarantee that it's going to be back looking the same, especially in Texas with all the rocks shooting out at me and all the sand. Like so far it's doing great. And once again, like I said, it fits almost every single size. If you're going to get that big huge Yeti and that's the only thing you use, then I would recommend getting the big ass drink holder. But if you're just, got most every other type of thing, then I highly recommend it. If you actually go to my Instagram at MotoMiracle, and there's actually a video of me with a Chick-fil-A frosted coffee, and I mean, it went great. Like it fit perfectly. The only thing is it was hot in Texas, so it kind of melted quick, but I think it worked great. Man, I love this little thing. And the thing is, you don't realize how nice it is until the fact that you have it. Like once you have it, you're like, oh my gosh, why didn't I have this my whole life? Like I said, last winter I wish I had it, because I would have gone for rides with my iced coffee. So that's one option. The only thing is, some people have made fun of it, they're laughing at it, they're like, you're in a Softail, you shouldn't be having that, you're not a bagger. I mean, even though I do have bags, I have a Sport Glide, so I don't know what that everyone means that way. So welcome to downtown Midland. And the other thing is also, I guess is a question is, now that I have bags, and since I have the bags, and now that I have the cup holder, is this turning into a geezer glide? So a geezer glide is basically a Harley, a Goldwing, basically just big bikes. Big bikes that, touring bikes basically. That's what a geezer, because usually that's when old people usually ride with, because they gotta have their keisters very comfortable. Whoa, Minga. I want to go that way. Can I take a left here? Am I allowed to take a left? Is this another one-way road? There's so many one-way roads, I get lost. That's cool. Let's go right. Oh, here we go. Gotta love the red bomb. Yeah, so that should be a quick video. I mean, it's just it's a cup holder. I mean, like I said, it looks great, does great, it's amazing. So anyways, if you like this video, please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, please press that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed, and please press that bell icon if you want future notifications. Till next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here.